The 1966 Corvette styling was similar to previous models, but there were some subtle differences. In addition to the Corvette script, elongated vertical style to the hood, and a plated square mesh cast grille, roof vents for coupes had been both functional and non-functional in previous mid-year Corvette coupes were deleted completely. Seating surfaces had additional pleats for further weight distribution at the seams. This 1966 Corvette is one of our value Vettes, being sold as is. This 66 is silver. The engine shows as a matching numbers 327 300 horse with original shielding. It is a non-power brake car. And while our engine compartment is showing a little age, it's in very good shape. Frame is in good shape as well. Our top is showing a little bit of issue here at the very corner, right here. And we're showing some fraying around the plastic window in the back. The paint on the car is good, and the chrome is good. Our emblems are a little bit older, showing some patina as well. Newer carpeting and seating surfaces give the car a nice fresh look. A little older on the gauges. This is a base car, so no power steering, no power brakes. I notice a little bit of scratching on the front bumper. But if you're looking for a car to maybe have a little bit of fun with, toying with, and making your own, this might be the one for you. Give me a holler, 770-605-2056, or email john@buyavette.net. As always, subscribe to the YouTube channel so you can see all this fun new inventory first. And we'll look forward to seeing you all out on the road.